Field peas and butter beans were quiet foods. They didn't arrive with ceremony or celebration. They arrived in sacks, in pockets, in hands calloused from labor, and they stayed because they could endure. On plantations across the South, these legumes became staples because they grew well in poor soil and harsh heat. Enslaved people planted them in small garden plots, along fence lines, or anywhere the land allowed. Field peas climbed and spread. Butter beans swelled in the dirt, steady and reliable. When meat was scarce or absent, these beans became the meal. They were cooked slowly, often in nothing more than water and salt. When fat or scraps were available, a small piece flavored the entire pot. The beans thickened the broth, turning thin ingredients into something filling. Leftovers were not wasted. Pot of peas could stretch across days, reheated, repurposed, and shared. Field peas carried memory. Similar legumes had fed families across West and Central Africa for generations, long before the Middle Passage. Butter beans, known elsewhere as lima beans, were adapted into those traditions, becoming part of a new food language shaped by survival. Cooking them was not just habit, it was remembrance. These foods also carried time. They required patience. Beans were soaked, simmered, watched carefully. In a life controlled by others, the slow rhythm of a pot on the fire allowed moments of agency. Choosing when to stir, when to season, when to serve, these were small freedoms, but they mattered. Today, field peas and butter beans often appear as side dishes, easily overlooked. But their history tells a deeper story. They sustained bodies when nourishment was uncertain. They taught restraint, creativity, and care. They were proof that nourishment does not always come from abundance. Sometimes it comes from knowledge, endurance, and the ability to make something lasting from very little. Come back tomorrow for the next dish in our 28-day series.